Yo, what's up vlog? Good afternoon. So it's already 4 p.m. no. I want to create more long form videos in my YouTube, specifically for my fan base cause I want to join YouTube. Ay gusto ko magsali sa YouTube. I'm usually known for my shorts, very quick jokes, but now I want to be part of the long form as well. So let's do this, by no. I want you to be part of me storytelling as well because usually I'm good with very quick storya, but I want to also to speak more so that you will also understand the flavor, not just the hype, but also the everything in the journey. Let's go. So we are now back in the beach, no? So every sunset by now I'm in Mualbual. Dito ako magstay for a month or 2 months maybe if I like, before needing to go back in my hometown in Davao. So this is my daily routine, by not so much hype, you know. I mean, in the evening my party, my gimmick. Paminsan may sister dito pag maganda ang weather. But for now, wala mang sunset ngayon, and it's also a weekday, so ganito siya dito. Still I can say it's still a paradise, hindi siya ganun ka traffic, so that's why I like it as well. Could not say this is my perfect dream place right here right now, but I'm grateful that in my experience by traveling by, I can do this, bringing my car, makarent ka ng bahay by, be comfortable, eat what you like, what you desire, brother, and you're still traveling, tapos makasister ka pa, mayabang ka pa ba habang nag-travel ka. Bless kayo, guys. So day in my life, that's my day in my life, padayon. So mataas masyado ang criteria ko now for living, no, because I experienced being rehab, being in prison by, I have the experience of freedom and also being constrained by, and I'm grateful now in my existence by, no, I'm in the state of abundance and freedom now that I can explore, no. There's still a bit a limitation by konti pang pera ko, baka hindi pa ako pwede maka-international nito, pero balance lang, no. We're going to that position already in life, no, and it's just for me to just keep on acting what I'm doing by, no. Hindi naman ako nakalulong sa rat race sa matrix by, na kailangan na sa desk lang ako palagi, nandito ako sa city sa rat race by, hindi man by, nandito naman ako sa dagat by, kailangan ko lang man ipatuloy yung aking style ko by, na paano yung style ko, comedy, gara-gara lifestyle ko by. Yun yung maganda ngayon, no, because we can really do our lifestyle na before magod, parang ang purpose sa humans before by is magtrabaho sila, is to find a right job na makasustain sa kanila. Ngayon by, we can try by na make a living out of our job, make a job out of our living life, diba? O nanindot by. So hello guys, nadiri si pangalan. Ha? Beyonce? Beyonce. So si Beyonce by nambita ko diri sa Mualbual. Sa Chili Barta first nag-meet, no. Dili man ko tikinom pero party ra ko. Ikaw tikinom ka?
Sana ako mga friends.
Na mo friends. Na daw siya na uyab dire 3 years na siya dire. Anong first reason mo bakit ka nag long term dito? It's because may relatives ka or it's because of the sa diving? So you decided to stay long term kasi nag-start ka na rin earth sa diving. I see. So 3 years na pala talaga yung diving mo. Matagal ka na. So kung ma-meet nyo to si Beyonce dito sa Mualbual, she does photography ba term yan? You do photography in the mga underwater na mga photography. So moment to from Lapu-Lapu yun siya originally sa city.
Nagbalik. Mabalik.
Pambalik. Asa man na mabalik? Doon sa seaside. SM seaside. Doon mabalik. I see. So mga sila mga divers sa Mualbual. Volleyball sila. Suka gid, suka tayo. May ka jellyfish ba sting. So naanat ta karon sa tulay. Tulay ng Mawal-Bawal. So muna akong favorite na spot dire for skating by. So as you know, mura na akong gina-focus by other than making contents by is making myself healthy. And muna akong favorite na sports is skating. Pag walang surfing by, skate, surf, semento. Balansera. So I had just dinner guys, karenderya, matik no, because tipid man tayo and there's no really good restaurants here to really savor as well. I mean there's restaurants pala on the side of where the tourist is, but it's a bit expensive as well, and you know it's not sulit for me to think about expending that much money. So I try to keep it balanced no, kung ano yung sakto lang sa akin, and sustainability, and just grateful by just be grateful no. Some people might affect you by telling them, oy bakit wala ka nag iPhone, or bakit hindi ka diyan kumain, kasi well, honestly yeah, I'm not that rich, and most probably you're not that rich as well. I can see from your galawan. So don't start to be a judgment game. So but basically if you just want to ask, it's okay to ask, but if I feel like it's about like comparing, you know, and like downgrading a person because of someone's abundance, then I think that's not good anymore. What's this? Ano dito ang view? Wow, mura na po siya badyan na view. So, hello guys, good morning. Wala ako naka-vlog kagabi kay nakatulog ko ba, so wala ako naka-gimmick, and basically na ko na-meet na bagong friend diri karon, si Maika, and nagkasinabot me na mag-falls me karon. So nindot kayo ang view guys. Asa to na falls padulong Mike? Kambais. So padulong mi sa Kambais karon sa kanan diha. Naog lang mi kadali dire kay para check ang view. Nindot kayo ang view ba. Bless and love. Unsa dining road dire?
Ila pa nang sumpay man na anin, ila pa nang giayo.
Para sa parking,
Oo.
para mas duol pa.
Oo. Lapok man gud. Wala pa lang nila naman.
So panaog na ta sa Kambais. Hindi pa dire kay mingaw pa bay, wala pa kay tao. Kambais Falls. Hello, pila entrance te?
100 pa na.
100.
11 pa na. Oo. Brother, I will
Brother. Oh, na falls. Hello. Oi. Nanata sa Kambais Falls. Nice, bye. Tigo ta karon. Ang ganda po nakaila sa tuwa diri no.